Where is spring? Spring has not sprung.
You've been searching for a darker place to hide. That's alright. I'll leave the light on. I'll leave the light on.
Yeah, it's all fun and well, but I'm going batshit crazy here. God damn it. Nothing is working out at the moment. Nah, not nothing. Almost nothing is working out at the moment. Car. So I was waiting for this message from the customs office where the guy said everything fine. You'll be getting a message in 48 hours to pick up your plate. Eventually, after 4 days, Molly gave them a call and apparently they want more paperwork. Guys. Apparently they want the last inspection from the car from Holland and they need the insurance papers. And it's freaking crazy because the car is already approved here in Portugal, like with an inspection and stuff. So, and the second thing, I don't have these papers anymore because the IMT office, who's responsible for the vehicles here in Portugal, they took all my papers, including this inspection and also my ownership card of the car. So I can't even like prove the car is mine. So it is starting to get really frustrating, guys. Normally I can like let things go, but now again I got my hopes up. Like this guy is saying everything is fine, you'll get the papers, and then apparently not everything is fine. And then the papers they ask for, either the customs office or the IMT has these papers already. So now we're going back to the IMT, picking up my translator again, going to the IMT, asking them if we can get this paper back so we can give it to the customs office. I don't know. It's so unclear, guys. And I had 2 different kind of companies helping me with it, right? And they also got stuck, like for months. Probably because the car had like extra modifications in the stage 2. But it's so freaking untransparent, guys. Normally I can handle some resistance, but this is like next level resistance. And why does it have to go with all this resistance? Am I not supposed to import this car to Portugal? Am I not supposed to open an association because I can't get a bank account at this moment? Am I not supposed to solve the problem with the little house on my land because the people are not calling my solicitor? It's one after another. The universe doesn't want me to do what I'm doing at the moment, I think. But then the question is, the freak does the universe want me to do? Because I was thinking that I was mostly going by my intuition, like going to Portugal and doing all this stuff. But I'm beginning to doubt more and more if this is actually what the universe has in mind. There must be a bigger reason for this. You guys have any idea? Leave the bigger reason in the comments. Oh. Everything is on hold. Waiting. Waiting and waiting. Waiting. Wait a second, girls. No. I also shouldn't have left it there. Come on. A lot is happening in the ghost town, which I'm not part of. The things that are happening. You believe it, sweetie. And the wheels from the wheelbarrow are still good. Now just somebody ran over it. Is also completely bent. Still works though. We have very tiny birdies in the tree. The camera is not picking them up very well. Let's see. Now. You hear them? Screaming for food. Now also something wrong with the camera. Why do I look blurry? This is my eyesight. So, yesterday I was at IMT with Molly. And I lost my cool. Molly said, I never see you like this. I almost cancelled the whole thing if it wasn't for Molly, which was probably not a wise thing to do. So let's all thank Molly. We went there and we asked for the papers we needed, and they didn't have those papers. So they gave me back my ownership, like the, how do you say, the proof of the car, like the card. So that I wouldn't have any problems if I wanted to go back to Holland to get this kind of paperwork. Now later that day, yesterday, I was looking at the portal from the tax office that they have here, the online system. And I saw that we didn't upload all the documents very well in the request for the approval. And the documents they said to Molly didn't make very much sense to me, like all documents from Holland. And but Molly is sure they said like we want these papers from Holland. But I think they might have wanted like the original papers from here when it was first inspected. So yesterday I uploaded those papers, and this morning, this afternoon, I got a message on this internet website system with that they rechecked the documents and that the 2 documents that I uploaded were approved. So we might even be getting our hopes up again. No, I won't say we might have gone a step further in the process. I don't really know. If I try to download the document, it still says like being validated. That it still needs to be validated. So everybody, please keep their fingers crossed. Maybe we did get somewhere. It brought a lot of frustration yesterday. But it's also not the fault from the people at the IMT office. It's just like rules and regulations that sometimes really don't make sense. Also, one of the things, like if you need like one of these custom matriculations, then the law requires that within 21 days after entering the car in Portugal, you need to apply for this, or you need to tell the customs office that you're importing the car, right? Within 21 days. But it already takes the IMT office more than 21 days to do one of these custom matriculations. So if you're honest about it, you will always get a fine of €31.25. Sometimes the things are just a little ridiculous. I'm glad I had Molly with me though. She speaks, understands very well Portuguese. Is it your sister? Who's knocking at our door? Hey Zoe! Can I have your color? Brigadinha. Wow. What's it called? Bollasjes wafer. Stroopwafel. Oh no, this is caramel. In Holland we just have sugar waffles. Almost a stroopwafel. I really feel left behind. Everybody is working on renovating. And I'm here, stuck behind the computer. But I have some good news, guys. It's a very optimistic morning. The import of Vanessa is approved. We have a plate number even. CH25IG. It's going to be the new plate for Vanessa. So yeah, we're going to make work of it directly. I sent Molly a message this morning. She has time today, so hopefully we'll be going to the IMT today again. Good thing that I had a little bit more patience. Hey Zoe! You having a good day?